Blake is going for dental surgery and he just got assessed by the nurse. The SpO2 is 100%, the heart rate is good, and the temperature is good, and what else? We got a warm blanket too. Okay. We're waiting for the doctor to check on him. What else can you say? You are brave.
I'm brave, but
Are you scared?
no, I'm kind of scared.
But we already prayed for Papa Jesus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
What are you feeling?
Very nervous.
Nervous, Kai?
Because I'm having an operation with my teeth.
But are you excited if you have a new teeth will come out? Do you think Tooth Fairy will come tonight?
I don't know. But in school, I had money in my pillow.
The Tooth Fairy came. How about tonight? Do you think Tooth Fairy will come?
I don't know. I just heard a little look of my teeth for a minute.
Okay. Ew. How many times you brush your teeth?
100 times.
You're telling lies. Why your teeth are like that? Like
Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
you do no. You do.
No, I'm not a kid. I'm 6. I'm not a kid. I'm not toddler. I'm 6.
But when you were a toddler, you love to do until you fall asleep. Remember? You remember that?
Oh, yes. I'm just gonna take this pillow off.
Ayaw na. Do not remove. Stop touching anything.
I've been eating some foods.
Every day?
Not every day.
That's it.
Some days.
Some days when you're sneaky. And you're a cheeky monkey too.
Shut your mouth.
What do you want to eat after? Arroz caldo.
No.
Ice cream.
Yes.
Ice cream. Ice cream is great. It will stop your teeth bleed. What else?
I want also porridge. And
Porridge, yeah.
I'm just gonna eat a little bit of junk food, like this much.
No, not allowed.
Or like this much. Or like this small much.
No.
Or like this eye much.
Sige na, magbabay na.
Bye-bye. I'm just gonna check outside. No? Wait, someone is inside.
Someone is going another.
Yes, next to us. It's next door.
Oh, stop.
No one is banging the door.
Do not bang.